To science class. Good morning, one and all present here. Students, we are studying chapter 8, Sound and Noise. Today, we are going to learn about some warning sounds. What does it mean when we hear the outdoor warning sirens? It means something life threatening is happening and we should go indoors and get more informations about the situation. Warning sounds. Some sounds are used to warn people about emergencies or dangers. These are loud and are meant to alert people to move out of their way or stay away from a place or situation. Some sounds are used to warn people about emergencies or dangers. People are made aware and alert of dangers or an emergency to stay away from a place or situation which may put lives in danger. These are called warning sounds. Examples of warning sounds are fire alarms, ambulance siren, police gypsy siren. All these are very familiar. We all have heard these alarming sounds some or the other day. There are different warning sounds for emergencies like alert tone, beep, beep. This alert tone prepares to evacuate, means to vacate the place, to empty the place. Evacuation tone, whoop, whoop. This also asks you to evacuate immediately, means empty the space immediately. Then we have siren, up and down tones. This is also prepared to alert people. We have alarm, loud, noisy sound to detect and warn people about smoke, fire, carbon monoxide and other emergencies which are present there. Now let us learn something about fire alarm. A fire alarm is a device that is installed in buildings to warn people in case of a fire. It makes a loud warning noise indicating that one must immediately vacate the building. Fire sirens are often called fire whistles, fire alarms, or fire horns. Most fire sirens are mounted on the roof of a fire station. The National Fire Protection Association recommends two reliable means to alert firefighters of an emergency. Fire siren, in addition to notify firefighters of an emergency, it is also used to let local residents know they should remain alert. Fire emergency vehicles rely on siren as well as bells. Warning is, if alarm sounds, find nearest exit place for evacuation, means for emptying the place. Now let us learn something about sirens. Sirens are installed in special vehicles like the ambulance, police gypsy and fire engine. When on call, they make a loud warning sound to alert vehicles and people on the road to move out of the way so that they can quickly reach their destination and help people in an emergency. Sirens, as the name says, is a loud noise making device. Civil defense sirens are mounted in fixed locations and used to warn of natural disasters or attacks. Sirens are used on special emergency service vehicles such as ambulance, police gypsy, fire trucks or engines, etc. When on call, they make a loud warning sound to alert vehicles and people on the road to move out of the way so that they can quickly reach their destination and help people in an emergency. When we hear siren sound, what are we supposed to do? Go inside. Go indoors as quickly as possible. Children at school, remain there itself. Get out of car, enter a building as quickly as possible. Allow other people to shelter with you. Warn people if they have failed to notice the siren. Close all doors and windows. Close all doors, windows, ventilators, inner doors, partitions, or any other opening to the outside. Cover ventilation flues and other openings with newspaper and plastic so that hazardous substances into the air do not enter the house. These are a few things which we are supposed to do when we hear siren. Warning sounds are important as they alert people to stay from a place or situation which may put lives in danger. So we are supposed to follow the instructions given by this warning sounds, and we are not supposed to ignore it. Always follow it. And suppose you hear a warning sound of ambulance on road, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to get aside and give way to ambulance so that ambulance carry the ill person immediately to the hospital. The same is with fire trucks. If it is on the way, vacate the place, vacate the road, empty the road so that they get a space and rush to the desired place. The same with the police gypsy. If they are coming on the way, you are supposed to leave the road and let them move so that they reach on their destination and do the needful. So this is, children, all about some warning sounds. We'll be learning about pleasant and unpleasant sound in our next class. Thank you, children. Have a great day.